Close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and let peace enter your mind. Buddha tattoos are not just body art, they are a reflection of inner peace, patience, self-control, and wisdom. For tattoo lovers who believe in simplicity, calmness, and minimal desires, a Buddha tattoo becomes a powerful symbol of character and mindset. Welcome to 65 new simple Buddha tattoo designs, specially curated for those who walk the path of peace, who value silence over noise, and who believe that true strength comes from inner balance. Buddha tattoos are deeply spiritual yet beautifully minimal. They don't scream for attention, they quietly speak to the soul. Each design you see here represents calmness, compassion, and clarity. These simple Buddha tattoos are perfect for people who want meaningful ink without heavy detailing, who love clean lines, soft expressions, and timeless designs. The calm face of Buddha reminds us to stay patient in chaos. His closed eyes symbolize meditation, awareness, and control over desires. For many tattoo lovers, this is not fashion. It's a reminder etched forever on the skin. Simple Buddha tattoos are ideal for first-time tattoo lovers too. They carry deep meaning while staying elegant and minimal. Whether small or medium in size, these designs fit beautifully on the forearm, shoulder, wrist, chest, back, or calf. A minimalist Buddha tattoo often reflects a peaceful personality, someone who chooses silence over arguments, someone who understands that happiness comes from within, someone who believes patience is power. Many people choose Buddha tattoos during important life changes, after struggles, healing, loss, or self-realization. It becomes a mark of transformation, a symbol of letting go of ego, anger, and unnecessary desires. In these 65 new designs, you will see different expressions of Buddha: meditating Buddha, serene Buddha face, line art Buddha, lotus Buddha, Zen Buddha, and symbolic Buddha silhouettes. Each design tells a different story. Some speak about enlightenment, some represent balance and harmony. Some remind us to stay grounded even when life gets heavy. The lotus flower with Buddha represents purity rising above chaos. Just like a lotus blooms in muddy water, we too can rise above struggles and negativity. A simple outline Buddha tattoo shows clarity and focus. It proves that you don't need complexity to express depth. Minimal lines, maximum meaning. Black ink Buddha tattoos are timeless. They age gracefully and always look elegant, perfect for those who believe in simplicity and discipline. Small Buddha tattoos are powerful reminders you carry with you every day. They whisper peace when life shouts problems. They remind you to breathe, pause, and respond, not react. For those who love spiritual tattoos but prefer subtle designs, this collection is made for you. Buddha tattoos are also about mindfulness, living in the present, letting go of regrets from the past, and worries about the future. When you choose a Buddha tattoo, you're choosing a lifestyle, not just a design. A lifestyle of patience, compassion, and awareness. These simple Buddha tattoo ideas are perfect for men and women who value inner growth. They suit every age, every personality, and every stage of life. Take your time watching each design. Feel the calm energy. Let the right tattoo choose you. Because the best tattoos are not chosen by trend. They are chosen by meaning. If you are someone who believes less desire leads to more peace, if patience defines your strength, and if spirituality guides your journey, your Buddha tattoo is waiting right here. Let your tattoo be your reminder to stay calm, to stay kind, to stay aware. If these Buddha tattoo designs resonate with your soul, don't forget to support our journey. For more meaningful Buddha tattoo ideas, spiritual tattoo inspirations, subscribe now to Tattoo 18. Stay peaceful, stay mindful, and let your ink speak your truth.